Everyone's been there. Everyone's had a great idea for a business, but then you remember that you haven't got one key part: money. Your pockets are depleted, but the question still lies: can you start a business with no money? Absolutely. Is it easy? Good God, no, but it's possible. The first thing is to find an idea, product, service or concept you can sell. If it's a service you can provide, then you can hit the road running straight away. For example, you can repair iPhones. That's a service. You just need to market the hell out of the business straight away, and if you get this right, you'll eventually get some customers. Alternatively, you may want to sell a product, such as an iPhone case, but in order to buy them in the first place, you need money. How are you going to do it? Well, if you can secure extended credit terms with a supplier and then you manage to sell them, you can then pay your supplier, pocketing a handsome profit, hopefully. Sound easy? Well, it's not that simple. Things rarely go to plan, but if you have the tenacity to succeed, then you can make it happen. Give it a go. There's nothing quite like making your first sale or getting that first deal, as it motivates you to do more and more. Thank you for watching our Samera video. Click our logo for more information on our services. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We upload new content every Tuesday and Friday.